This is my new office, my new backdrop, and I'm gonna explain to you how I created this. Today I'm gonna be installing these bad boys on my back wall. Real quick story time. I was looking for a feature wall and I came across these wood veneers. You got these slats of wood with like this black felt in the background. Thought it looked really good and thought it looked easy, so I'm gonna do a quick install. Yeah, I think it's gonna look good, but so far this is the plan. That's 2 panels right there. I've got 4 total, so I'm gonna center them on the wall. I'm gonna have to take out that shelf, and then I'm gonna put on some black sconce lights. And if it looks bad, then I'm gonna paint the rest of the wall black. But so far, that's gonna be the backdrop for most of my videos here and a lot of my work video calls and just for my office in general. So that's the plan. Come along with me. And again, I'm no expert, but yeah, I'm gonna measure the height from the baseboard to the ceiling and then make sure that those panels are cut to size with a wood saw and then screw them into the wall and go from there. I love adding feature walls, and board and batten is something that I've done before. And you slap it on, you paint it white, and you move on. And I'm too scared to do anything else other than that because that's just plain and safe. Whiteboard and batten is timeless. I've done it in my bedroom. I've done it in a rental property. This right here, this wood veneer is supposed to be pretty easy, but I kept seeing ads for it. I finally, decided I'm gonna try it, so I'm gonna put it in my office. I ordered some sconce lights as well that I'm gonna be adding. And anyways, we're gonna see how easy it is to make a nice premium backdrop for an office. Let's do it. There you have it.